Hello everyone, my name is Precious and today I'm back in Baku, Azerbaijan. And Baku, the name is windy, okay? The meaning of Baku is windy, and Azerbaijan is known as the land of fire. So, and even one more fact, Baku is the lowest capital below the sea level, and it is 30 meters below the sea level. That's true. And as you can see behind me, that is a flames tower. This tower lightens up at 8 o'clock in the night. It lights up like a flame, beautiful flame, red and red. While you can also see the Azerbaijan flag in it. It is beautiful and extremely beautiful. Now let's move on to the next one. As you can see, there is the Azerbaijan flag. This flag is the second highest in the whole world, the second highest flag. Now let's move on to the next one. That is the Baku Eye. As you can see, it is also a ride, and once you can visit it. It is known as the Baku Eye and is beautiful for you to visit. Now, the next one is that the Dennis Mall. It is one of the most popular malls in the whole Baku. Yes. And then you can see one more building, the Crescent building, and it is just near the sea, like the lake, Caspian Sea. It is just near the Caspian Sea, and it is known as a Crescent building because it is of the crescent shape, and it also looks like moon. So the video ends here, but one more thing before it. There is a mountain that has fire on it since 2000 years. But you have to find the name and comment and put it in the comment below. Thank you.